Hello guys! Good morning mga Kalobuton vlog. Good morning guys. This is my morning routine. I've been cleaning already guys. Now I cooking something sinigang shrimp. This is my son is in the ceremony get the ID. I already cleaned guys. And then we go downstairs. I've been cleaning already. This is the office of my husband. You see, he's working in call center, guys. This is I cook sinigang shrimp, guys, uh, and then kangkong, and then shrimp. Hey guys, I make pagpat of kangkong, guys. Kangkong. Guys, by the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. Is Loboton Vlog. Please subscribe my channel. I have only 48 subscribers only, but I need to reach the more than 52. Like that, guys. Oops. My camera is pulled down, guys. Tangkong, guys. Nagpat sa akong tangkong, guys, for my sinigang. Dili na ako sa bulan kung kuan, guys. Itong puti, that's that, labanos. Okay, di mo ko ganag labanos, guys. Kamatis lang sahog, guys. Tayo, shrimp. Dili na ako lagay ko dun, guys. Kaya daghan na kayo. Ako rami mo kaon utanda, guys. Akong anak, guys, kuan naman yan, guys, sa baong shrimp. Okay na ni, guys. Kung na pwedeng kuan na ni shrimp, guys. Ako na nang ikuan ng shrimp. Nibukal naman siya, guys. Bukal naman siya. Butangan na ako na siya kuan, guys. Kanina. Shrimp. Ano na siya, guys. Bukalo na nako siya guys. Ako naman siyang gilimpyuhan guys. Ano na siyang gikuag tinain. Itong ba guys ba? Diyan na ako utlon guys kay daghan na guys na lang guys. Butangan ako na siyang sili guys. Ano ako siyang sili. Diyan ako siya utlon guys kay halang man guys. Namo ko anak na. Di kayo mga halang ba? Guys, don't forget to like and share. This is my short video, guys. Pawis na pawis ako, guys. Ayaw, never mind. This is my everyday routine. And guys, don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channel. Click the notification para updated mo sa susunod na video ko, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Lovaton Vlog. Bye, guys. See you.